I need to go to rehab. Oopsie. I did it again. Oh my God. You guys. If they drop, I shop. I don't know what to do. I really have a problem. Oops, I did it again. Okay. I'm not even gonna say it. I was gonna say that I feel like I've given up on getting my Birkin, so I'm going other routes, but that's not true because I have not given up because I believe it's happening and I'm manifesting and it's coming and it's coming. My bag is coming and my bag is coming. But I literally, when they're online, I can't stop myself. If they drop, I shop. When they shop, I get. And that's it. Okay, so we have another Hermes.com unboxing, you guys. Oh my God, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shit, Hermes. And we have another Hermes.com online unboxing impulse buy that I couldn't not get. I saw it, I had to get it. So we're gonna do an Hermes.com unboxing and we're gonna talk about it. Yes, I bought more. I know I wasn't gonna buy any more, but I don't really care anymore. I really don't care anymore. I wanted it and I got it. So I got it. Yay, I think I won the lotto. Every time I get something from Hermes online, I feel like I won the lotto because they're so hard to get and they trick you and they only let you get so many and you can get it and then you get it and then it falls out of your cart and then get it and then it falls out of your cart, or you get it and then they cancel it later and you get it and you cancel it later. And I've tried so many times. I literally go on every morning. I have a whole other video about it, about Hermes.com, and going on every morning trying to get a bag, seeing what's available and trying to get it. And I got this one, so I'm happy. So we're gonna talk about this bag and Hermes.com and just me in general. Okay, so if that's you're interested, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. Subscribe. And keep on watching. Okay, so Hermes.com does the drops. I have a whole other video on it. They do it every day. I've gotten so many bags. I've gotten 4 Hakadoses, PMs, 1 GM on it. Every other bag I've tried to get, I have failed. Other people that have gotten Evelyn's, they've gotten her bags, Picotins, things like that. So they do have other bags. Now, and also like, I think that it's like, also they take into account your account. Because I tried to buy this, my friend tried to buy this, and this has happened with 2 other ones. There was a white Hakados GM earlier. I tried to get it, I put it in my friend, my friend gave me their login. I went into their account, I put in, that got declined twice on my friend's account, that got declined on my account. Same thing happened with this, so I wanted to buy it not on my account because I wanted to try to, protect my account so I could get my Birkin because I have spent so much online and I think it is hindering me. So I got Hermes.com online. Hold on, I'm gonna post. So stay right there. Okay, this one's mostly for the second camera, for the TikTok. Literally, I try every day, every morning when they do the drops, I try to get it in. I try on my friend's accounts, I try on my account. And they do, I think they do like monitor and they do see who's, like what your purchase history is and then they decide who gets the bag and who doesn't because they have so few supplies and everyone's trying to buy them at the same time and multiple people get them in their cart at the same time. So it's like they have to pick which person it gets in their cart because I've gotten it in my cart, I've bought it, and then I've waited and then I've gotten canceled. Especially on other accounts, on my friends' accounts when I do it. But on my account, it's happened too. Sometimes it's because of over quota, sometimes it's because they're just not gonna give you the bag. But then sometimes they do, and they give you the bag. And it's like the Hermes gods are like, here you go again. So the Hermes gods are here again, they gave it to me. They picked me this time. Ah, yes, I know, I'm crazy. Yes, I know, I don't care. I don't care. Yes. Oh, it's the worst, the best marketing. They're tricking you. They're taking your money. I don't care. I wanted it and I got it. So, my money, my life. Okay, so I was really excited about this one. So first of all, I've gotten this bag. The drops were on this morning. I tried to buy it on my friend. I tried to buy the white one actually on my friend's account and twice. Bought it and then refunded. Bought it a couple hours later, refunded him, and then bought it again a couple hours later, refunded him. And then I tried on my account because once it's bought, it's out because it says it's gone. But then once it's refunded, it comes back on the website because the inventory is there again. If the inventory is actually there, I'm not sure or not, or if they're just behind on their lagging of their system and they just couldn't keep up with the system, so they put it back like whatever, and then they have to like manually whatever go in it just refills it, but it actually isn't there to refill, or they decided not to give it to me. Anyway, this is the first time it's coming like this. Usually it's in a much bigger H box, much bigger brown box, and with a lot more packaging. So this is the first time I'm getting it actually in this box, so it's interesting. So, I mean, you guys already know what I'm getting. I have gotten this bag already. I've gotten 4 of this bag already in this size and 1 in a bigger size. So I am obsessed with this bag. Obviously, I want it in every color. I told myself I want it in every color. But it's so hard to get in the store. And literally, when I get this and people say that I got this, they're like, how did you get this? Like when I talk to SAs, they're like, how did you get this? Because this is an impossible bag to get. Okay, this is getting really, really long, so I'm just gonna do the unboxing and then we'll talk about it later. Because, you know, it's basically like just as hard to get as a Birkin now these days, is this bag. So I saw the color, I was like, oh, I love it, I want it, I have to get it. And I put it in my cart. Actually, I did it on my friend's account first because I put it in my friend's account first. And I was like, I have to get it, but I couldn't get it. Okay, here it is. Maybe I'll just make this like a 10-minute video. Okay. So, okay. Hermes.com! I got love Hermes.com. Okay. Oh, that's nice. The tray just opens up like that. Okay. I couldn't get it on my friend's account, so I got it under my account. So they declined my friend twice. Oh my god. Ah! But they did not decline me, which is weird because, well, one, because I have a lot of purchase history, so maybe that's why. But then two, like, I already have this bag, so many. So I don't know, and I don't know if my essay is gonna kill me now because they are literally trying, like, they are begging their manager to get me a bag, and now I am going and doing this, which, you know, whatever. But I don't care. I don't care. I'm so excited. The paper, it's like, it's just, this experience, nothing beats this experience, okay? It's upside down. Is it upside down? Oh, yeah. You guys. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay. Yes, I have a problem. Yes, I'm a shopaholic. Yes, I have a problem. I don't care. Ah! It is the Hakados PM in the color Werkin, which is a new color for 2023. I die, you guys. It is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, let me get one of my other ones so you can kind of see. So I have this in black, I have it in noir, I have it in etain, gris etain, I have it in caban. Okay, stay. Ah! Okay, look, they're friends. They're kissy. Oh my god, I'm starting to sweat because there's so much light on me right now to do this. Ah! Okay. Just to compare. Oh my god, the color is just everything. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Whoa. So I will talk more about, sorry, I had to stop the TikTok one so I can do this one. Okay, so, you guys, she is just brand new perfection. Oh my god. Oh, she's so stiff. She's literally brand new. I don't even want to touch her because I'm so sweaty. The color inside is even prettier. Oh my god. Okay, goodbye. Okay, literally, I wish I would have got this at the beginning of the summer because, like, this is such a good summer color, obviously. But next year. Ah! She's perfect. Ah. All right. Okay, I gotta go. That's all I got. I will talk more about this in the next one. But I'm so excited. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash a like button. Please share with your friends, family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.